Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on the application flow. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about flow and you will click here. Then here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to this window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention. Bye.